So what happened during COVID? If you look outside, the skies turned blue. Why? Not because we killed all the cows. It was because people paused their usual routines, driving, flying, burning fossil fuels. So they stopped filling the air with carbon faster than we pull it back into the ground. Through regenerative ranching, we're trying to mimic Mother Nature by growing plants that have living roots in the soil and naturally pull CO2 from the atmosphere. We're basically photosynthesis farmers. Animals are a tool to harvest forage and create more photosynthesis in a natural way. The cows eat what's in front of them, stomp on what's below them, and poop on what's behind them. Through this natural process, the plants stay healthy, robust, and keep photosynthesizing. So don't get confused by the headlines. Cows aren't the problem. Fossil fuels are the real driver behind global warming. Take a look with your own two eyes and you'll see, what do you think's putting more strain on the environment? If you want to help the planet, support animals raised this way. Support regenerative small ranchers and farmers like me. Eat meat raised regeneratively, the Stemple Creek Ranch way. And don't fall for all the misinformation.